The Haptex Gloves G1 are transforming the landscape of virtual reality by enabling users to actually feel digital objects. Imagine a world where you can experience the shape, texture, and movement of virtual items as if they were physically present. With these innovative gloves, that dream becomes a reality, taking immersion in virtual environments to an unprecedented level. What powers this incredible experience is advanced microfluidics technology, which is designed to create realistic touch sensations. Each glove is equipped with 135 sophisticated actuators that meticulously apply pressure and vibrations to your skin, simulating the nuances of touch in a highly believable way. This means that when you grasp a virtual object, it feels as if you are truly holding it, allowing for a deeply engaging interaction with digital content. The gloves can exert up to 8 pounds of force on each finger, enabling you to engage with virtual environments in a manner that feels entirely intuitive and natural. These gloves are not just a novelty, they are perfect for a wide range of professional applications. Whether in training scenarios, design processes, or robotics development, the Haptex G1 is crafted with business users in mind, making it an invaluable tool for industries that demand high levels of virtual interaction. The cutting-edge features of the Haptex gloves come at a significant price of $5,495, which reflects their advanced capabilities and the specialized market they serve. For businesses that require top-tier virtual experiences, such as those in healthcare, automotive design, or gaming development, this investment is justified by the unparalleled level of immersion and interaction these gloves provide. For those who are eager to push the limits of virtual engagement, the Haptex G1 stands out as an unbeatable choice. By allowing users to explore and manipulate digital environments with a tactile realism previously thought impossible, these gloves not only enhance the experience of virtual reality but also open up new possibilities for creativity. The Lincoln Continental continues to stand as a true representation of luxury sedans, staying loyal to its legacy by offering a smooth and composed ride, an expansive interior, and a sophisticated, understated design. Created by Lincoln, a prestigious division of the Ford Motor Company, the Continental expertly merges comfort with performance, making it an ideal choice for drivers who appreciate both refined elegance and powerful capability. For the 2023 model, Lincoln has refined the Continental lineup, consolidating it into 3 trims: Standard, Reserve, and Black Label, each providing a distinct level of luxury and features. This allows customers to easily find the trim that best aligns with their desires for style, technology, and premium amenities. The heart of the Lincoln Continental lies in its powerful engine options, with 3 available V6 engines that cater to different levels of performance, 2 of which are turbocharged for added responsiveness. The pinnacle of this lineup is the 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, which produces an impressive 400 horsepower, delivering swift acceleration that's sure to catch even experienced drivers by surprise. Whether you prefer the practicality of front-wheel drive or the enhanced control of all-wheel drive, the Continental provides versatility to handle diverse driving conditions with ease. Stepping inside, the Continental's interior is a sanctuary of luxury, meticulously crafted with top-quality materials that exude both comfort and sophistication. The spacious cabin is designed to ensure that every passenger has ample room to relax and enjoy the journey. For 2023, Lincoln has also refreshed the Continental's exterior with 3 new color options: pristine white metallic, red carpet metallic, and silver radiance clear coat. These shades add a modern, stylish flair to the vehicle's classic design, ensuring that it stands out with its polished appearance. In addition to these updates, Lincoln has also made subtle adjustments to the available option packages, enhanced. In the world of miniature marvels, the Scania S730 Mini True reigns supreme, standing out as a true titan among tiny trucks. This exceptional piece of engineering has been meticulously scaled down to deliver endless joy to both the young and the young at heart. Every inch of this mini truck is designed with a focus on detail, staying true to the powerful legacy of its larger sibling. Its robust build and iconic design are unmistakably Scania, reflecting the same level of precision and craftsmanship found in the full-sized model. With a starting price of around €5,500, the Scania S730 Mini True is more than just a high-end toy. It's a gateway to endless adventures and a vessel for boundless creativity. This mini powerhouse isn't just about its looks, it's about igniting imaginations and fueling the dreams of future road warriors, young enthusiasts who see a world of possibilities behind the wheel of this impressive machine. Its dimensions command respect, standing at 190 centimeters in length, 75 centimeters in width, and 130 centimeters in height. The sheer presence of this pint-sized powerhouse is enough to make a significant impact in any playroom, backyard, or even a small garage setup. The Scania S730 Mini True isn't just a model. It's a symbol of dedication to quality and a tribute to the spirit of adventure that drives both young and seasoned enthusiasts. Safety is a critical aspect of this miniature marvel, evidenced by its CE mark, which ensures that every moment spent with the truck is as secure as it is thrilling. Parents can rest easy knowing that their little drivers are safe as they embark on their mini road trips. And when it comes to personalization, the Scania S730 Mini True offers a world of options. From customized company colors to unique decals, every detail can be tailored to create a mini truck that truly reflects the personality and style of its driver. This customizable nature makes each Scania S730 Mini True a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, as unique SEVERTRUCKS Profi. The S-True Profi by Sever Trucks is a formidable off-road vehicle meticulously designed for professionals who face some of the harshest and most demanding conditions in their line of work. This rugged machine is purpose-built to deliver heavy-duty performance, equipped to tackle tough environments that require exceptional durability and resilience. Its robust frame, high ground clearance, and advanced all-wheel drive system ensure that it can confidently navigate through rough terrains, making it an ideal fit for industries like construction, forestry, mining, and oil exploration. Under the hood, the Profi houses a powerful engine that provides the muscle needed to handle extreme tasks, while its reinforced suspension system ensures stability and control over uneven surfaces. The large off-road tires offer superior traction, allowing the vehicle to glide over rocks, mud, sand, and other challenging landscapes with ease. Whether it's navigating through dense forests, scaling steep inclines, or powering through rugged construction sites, the S-True Profi excels where other vehicles might struggle. Inside the cabin, Sever Trucks has designed the Profi with a focus on both functionality and driver comfort. The interior is spacious, allowing ample room for the driver and passengers to work comfortably during long hours on the job. It's equipped with the latest in modern technology to aid in navigation and control, turning the cabin into a command center on wheels. There is also plenty of cargo space, providing room to carry tools, equipment, and other essentials needed for field operations. What truly sets the S-True Profi apart is its blend of rugged durability and reliable performance. It is built to withstand the toughest working conditions, making it a top choice for professionals who require a vehicle that won't let them down in critical situations. The Profi's resilience and longevity mean that it remains a trusted partner in remote locations, harsh climates, and demanding terrains, providing consistent performance.
The 2023 Audi A8 is a refined luxury sedan that effortlessly combines elegant design with superior comfort, positioning itself as a prominent choice among competitors like the BMW 7 Series and Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This vehicle sets itself apart through a thoughtfully designed, spacious interior that's not only luxurious but also incredibly serene, even when equipped with its turbocharged V6 engine. The cabin's quiet ambiance creates a perfect environment for relaxation, ideal for those moments when you want to unwind as you're driven to your next appointment or event. Yet, the A8's appeal isn't limited to passengers in the back seat. It's also engineered to offer a rewarding driving experience. While it may not have the aggressive sporty feel of the performance-focused S8 model, the A8 still manages to impress with its agile handling, especially when faced with twisting roads. The combination of its smooth ride and well-tuned performance means that driving this full-size sedan is more engaging and enjoyable than you might expect for a car of its dimensions. Its sophisticated suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, ensuring that every journey is comfortable, no matter the road conditions. Audi has introduced some subtle but significant enhancements for the 2023 model year. Among these updates is the new remote parking feature, now included in the optional executive package, which simplifies the task of parking in tighter spaces, a valuable addition for those navigating urban environments. Additionally, the Comfort Plus package has received a boost with the inclusion of newly upgraded LED headlights, which not only add to the A8's sleek appearance but also improve visibility and safety during night drives. Whether you're seated in the plush, meticulously crafted back seats enjoying the ride or taking control behind the wheel, The 2023 Audi A8 delivers an exceptional blend of luxury.
Introducing the Quattro 4 Steinbach, a truly versatile four-wheeled scooter designed to excel in both urban environments and adventurous countryside escapades. This innovative scooter is the perfect companion for riders looking to seamlessly transition from the bustling streets of the city to the tranquil backroads of nature, all while enjoying an unparalleled riding experience. One of the standout features of the Quattro 4 is its state-of-the-art hydraulic tilting system. This remarkable technology allows the scooter to lean into turns just like a motorcycle, significantly enhancing stability during cornering. This design not only contributes to a more secure ride but also makes handling the scooter a breeze, instilling confidence in riders of all experience levels. Safety is a fundamental aspect of the Quattro 4's design. With an advanced all-wheel braking system, this scooter ensures that all four wheels can effectively come to a halt, providing maximum stopping power when needed. This feature is particularly reassuring when navigating busy city streets or uneven rural paths, where sudden stops may be required. Riders can feel secure knowing that the Quattro 4 prioritizes their safety without compromising performance. Under the hood, the Quattro 4 is powered by a robust engine that delivers an impressive 30 horsepower. This powerful engine enables the scooter to effortlessly tackle a variety of terrains, from smooth highways to rugged off-road trails. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or exploring more challenging landscapes, this scooter is built to handle it all with ease. Riding the Quattro 4 is an enjoyable experience thanks to its automated clutch system. This feature simplifies the riding process, allowing you to focus on the thrill of the journey without the stress of manual gear shifting. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of scooters, the Quattro 4 makes it easy to hit the road and enjoy the ride. Another unique aspect of the Quattro 4 is its innovative self-supporting wheels. Unlike traditional scooters, which offer BMW Definition CEO4. Introducing the BMW Definition CEO4, a groundbreaking electric scooter that aims to revolutionize urban transportation. With its futuristic, sci-fi-inspired appearance, this scooter is not only visually captivating but also environmentally friendly, reflecting a commitment to sustainable mobility. Crafted by BMW Motorrad, the motorcycle division of BMW, the CEO4 is designed as a greener alternative to traditional gas-powered motorcycles. This innovative model demonstrates that you don't have to sacrifice performance or style to make eco-conscious choices. The sleek, low-rider design features a generously proportioned, low-slung seat that not only adds to the overall comfort of the ride but also imparts a distinct sense of flair and modernity. The CEO4 is outfitted with a state-of-the-art all-LED lighting system, which includes an adaptive headlamp that automatically adjusts its brightness based on ambient light conditions. This feature enhances safety during nighttime rides while contributing to the high-tech vibe that the scooter embodies. The advanced lighting system ensures that riders have optimal visibility, making it a reliable choice for urban commuting. When it comes to charging, the CEO4 takes just over 4 hours to reach a full charge. Once fully charged, riders can expect an impressive cruising range of approximately 130 miles, making it practical for daily commutes and city adventures alike. This combination of efficiency and performance is designed to cater to the needs of modern urban commuters who seek convenience without compromising on sustainability. With a starting price of about $1,800, the CEO4 is positioned as an accessible option for those looking to embrace the future of urban mobility. This futuristic ride harmoniously blends eco-consciousness with cutting-edge design, making it an appealing choice for individuals who prioritize both style and sustainability in their transportation choices. The essence of the CEO, the Yamaha Nikon, is not just another motorcycle, it's a game-changer, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of two-wheeled engineering with its revolutionary three-wheel design. This unique setup is tailored specifically for sport touring enthusiasts who demand both high-performance capability and superior stability from their ride. The moment you lay eyes on the Nikon, its striking, unconventional appearance immediately sets it apart, hinting at the cutting-edge technology that lies beneath its sleek exterior. At the core of this innovative machine beats an 845 cubic centimeter DHC, dual overhead camshaft, crossplane engine, known for its outstanding power delivery and dynamic performance. This engine is engineered to produce a level of power and torque that's comparable to what you'd expect from some of the most elite high-performance superbikes. It ensures rapid acceleration and exceptional responsiveness, making the Nikon a force to be reckoned with on both open highways and winding mountain roads. The origins of this extraordinary motorcycle can be traced back to the MWT9 concept bike, which Yamaha first unveiled in 2015, signaling a new era for their leaning multi-wheel (LMW) technology. One of the most remarkable features of the Nikon is its innovative leaning multi-wheel chassis. This system allows the front wheels to lean in harmony with the bike, offering a riding sensation that is both exhilarating and secure. The dual front wheels significantly enhance grip, providing riders with unparalleled traction on a wide range of road conditions, from dry tarmac to rain-soaked streets and even uneven surfaces. This increased stability translates into a higher level of cornering confidence, enabling riders to take on sharp bends and curves with ease while maintaining complete control. What's more, despite its complex design, the Nikon maintains the natural steering feel that riders love about traditional motorcycles, ensuring that it delivers a seamless and balanced riding experience. The name, Nikon, which draws inspiration. The Hexhog wheelchair, an extraordinary innovation developed by the talented Welsh inventor Sian Pearce, stands as a true breakthrough in the world of mobility aids. Designed to give wheelchair users unprecedented freedom, this powerful all-terrain vehicle opens up a realm of outdoor experiences that were once difficult or even impossible to access. Built with strength and versatility in mind, the Hexhog's robust six-wheeled design allows it to glide seamlessly over various terrains, turning the most challenging environments into pathways for exploration. With a top speed of 8.5 miles per hour, powered by a durable 36 volts lithium-ion battery, this high-performance wheelchair defies the limits of traditional mobility devices. The Hexhog's joystick-operated control system is incredibly user-friendly, ensuring that even novice users can confidently navigate the most rugged landscapes. Its engineering brilliance lies not only in its speed and power but also in its adaptability, making it the perfect companion for thrill-seekers looking to experience the world beyond the paved roads. What sets the Hexhog apart is its ability to handle a diverse range of terrains with remarkable ease. From steep inclines and uneven rocky trails to sandy beaches, muddy paths, water crossings, and even snow-covered ground, this vehicle is built to perform where standard electric wheelchairs would falter. Its versatile design allows it to traverse these obstacles effortlessly, expanding the boundaries of where wheelchair users can go and what they can do. One of the most impressive features of the Hexhog is its supple chassis, which acts as a shock absorber, smoothing out the bumps and jolts that come with traveling on rough surfaces. This sophisticated suspension system not only enhances the comfort of the ride but also ensures maximum stability and control, making even the most uneven paths feel manageable and secure. This attention to detail in its design makes every journey feel less like an obstacle course and more like a smooth, comfortable adventure. Beyond its technical capabilities, Mattro Rovo DC. Presenting the Metro Rovo DC, a cutting-edge electric vehicle that stands out for its versatility and all-terrain capabilities, specifically engineered to thrive in rugged environments and industrial applications. This remarkable vehicle has been thoughtfully designed with a strong focus on sustainability and outstanding performance, ensuring that it meets the needs of today's environmentally conscious industries. At the heart of the Metro Rovo DC is a powerful electric drivetrain that guarantees zero-emission mobility. This innovative feature not only contributes to a cleaner environment but also delivers impressive power and torque, enabling the vehicle to perform effectively in demanding conditions. The Rovo DC's compact yet robust frame is built to endure the rigors of industrial use, featuring independent suspension that enhances ride quality and stability on uneven surfaces. Equipped with advanced off-road capabilities, the Metro Rovo DC excels in navigating a wide range of challenging terrains. Whether it's rocky trails, muddy paths, or snow-covered landscapes, this vehicle can tackle obstacles with ease, making it an indispensable asset for professionals who work in diverse and unpredictable environments. One of the standout aspects of the Rovo DC is its flexible cargo space, designed to accommodate various tools and equipment. This adaptability makes the vehicle particularly suited for sectors such as agriculture, construction, and remote maintenance operations, where transporting gear is essential to productivity. The spacious cargo area allows users to carry everything they need for their tasks, enhancing efficiency and convenience. Moreover, the Metro Rovo DC operates quietly, significantly reducing noise pollution in sensitive areas. This feature is especially beneficial for industries that require discretion, such as wildlife management or urban maintenance. Coupled with its precise handling, the Rovo DC offers a driving experience that is not only powerful but also comfortable